Weird. What? Mimikyu? What's going on? What's good, guys? I'm Otto, the Metal Cake, and welcome to my humble abode, where all of your dreams come true, nothing is impossible, and we open up some Pokemon cards. Now today, I would like to invite you to join me and delve into the ancestor of Hidden Fates, which would of course be Shining Legends. Let us see what we can find. Alright. Shining Legend Special Collection Raichu GX. Cut loose with the powerful spark of Raichu GX. With amazing power and amazing charm, Raichu brings the thunder, whatever. Let's see. How am I supposed to get these promos out of here? Come on, Pikachu. We'll get a promo of Pikachu and Raichu. The oversized card of Raichu GX. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 booster packs. Raichu coin. Bundle code card. So, let us get into these packs then. Let's start with the Genesis one. Blaze a bright trail with shining Pokemon. The question of the day, what is the card trick to these? Four. Go with 4. Switch. Double colorless energy retrieval, Torkoal, Totodile, Weasel, +1, Torracat, another Totodile, and a Shaman. Metal! Electro. Whoa. I'm gonna catch her. Another Weasel. The Zorua. Look at the icon. It's adorable. Pikachu! Crippino! Ooh, Zekrom! I like Zekrom. And... Raichu. Nice. Back to extras. It's good. Go. Venusaur. Ultra Ball. Damage Mover. Golett. Ekans. Relume. Stunfisk. The always powerful Stunfisk. Minor. Double colorless energy. And we got an Entei GX. Full art. Mighty Lord. We're doing good. One, two, three, four. Darkness energy. Pokemon Breeder. Poromagia. Great Ball. Scraggy. Marbesta. Golett. Zorua. Purrloin. Super Scoopa. That reminds me of Panther. And... Shining Rayquaza! Yes! One of my favorites. We're doing good today. Well, last pack. See, I'm getting better at this now. Ha. Water energy. Ho. Ooh. Great Ball. Electrode. Zorua. Ivysaur. Torkoal. Marbesta. Minun. Litten with the eye patch. And another Shining Rayquaza! Now what are the odds? One final look. Let us see, we got the Raichu, double Rayquazas, the Entei GX, Raikou, Shaman, Pikachu, and a bunch of reverse. All in all, this was a success. I sincerely hope you enjoyed this video.
Hey dude.
What now, Espeon?
That is not my name.
Okay, what is it then?
Maleficus.
Yeah, whatever.
Hey, you should make a song about my friend Mimikyu.
Oh, so you were behind all those Mimikyu cards?
Make a song.
No, I'm not gonna.
Why is that?
I don't know. Mimikyu is just... so sad.
Oh, come on. Do it for the greater good. Do it for everyone that feels lonely.
You have something right there. Dear people of the internet, especially now more than ever, there are countless kids, adults, old people who are feeling extremely lonely. Now remember, just because you're not alone doesn't mean you can't feel lonely. And if you ever feel this way, reach out to communities such as the Pokemon ones. Or when you see someone who is clearly feeling down, reach out to them. Now, everyone has the right to feel sad from time to time, but everyone deserves a good friend, even Mimikyu. So here's for all the lonely souls out there.
I was born, there's been something jaded and torn. When I try to understand fear and hatred I had to withstand. Is there something wrong with my soul? Since the day I came to be, my demeanor made that all clear. When I sought to give and explain, I was met with equal disdain. I said I only need to open my heart. They told me lies. They said you just need to open your heart. Since the day I saw them smile, wondered if this could be worthwhile. And now I hide behind this gown. Oh, I wish for them to come around. There is something wrong with my soul. They told me lies. They said I only need to open my heart. They told me lies. They said I just need to open my heart.
What's good, guys? Welcome to the bonus segment in honor of Espion and Maleficus. Mimikyu found a friend. Now this is a team up blister pack, the promo card. Excellent. Alright. Team up pack. It's been ages since I've opened team up. Where to find it? We get a Litten coin, the Pikachu, Promo. Code card. And team up. Poromagia. Also known as Food. What a memory. Gold Duck. Pidgey. Bulgar. Int. X. QX Idol. Pancham. And... Oh! Magikarp and Wailord. GX. My favorite tag team of all time. Nice. Hear that? The ice cream truck.